Okay, I'm back and I'm going to add my milk and flour and sugar. Now, if you don't have flour, you can use cornstarch, and you just kind of eyeball it. And you see what I have here? And I'm going to let this simmer and cook down and bring you back. And also, I added a little garlic powder and a little onion powder. So I'm gonna mix this all up and just let it simmer down and get tender the way I want it, and I'll bring you back. Okay, y'all, I'm back with the finished product. This is my fried corn, and I creamed it, and here it is. I mean, it's delicious, and you can see here it's not runny or anything like that. Here it is. And as I told you, I put 2 tablespoons of flour in a cup and a half of milk, and I put a 1/4 cup of sugar. But I realized I didn't need all of the milk, so I poured it according to what I needed. I just kind of eyeballed what I need, and here it is. I put a little bit in the bowl here for you to see, and this is fried corn, creamy fried corn. Look at it, fresh corn, and let me taste. It tastes so delicious. It is good, and you season it according to your liking. I added some onion powder, garlic powder, and all of my other ingredients that I told you about, and it is delicious. So this is Patti's Southern Kitchen, and please subscribe, share, follow. Don't forget to give that thumb up, and don't forget to tap the notification bell to be reminded of the uploads. Thank you for joining, and I will see you on the next exciting video. Bye now.